Today let's study about sphere and hemisphere. First we will see what do you mean by sphere. So in the picture you can see this is the sphere. We have to mainly study about the surface area of the sphere and the volume of sphere. For both we have different equations which I'll tell in the next part. Now here you can see in the picture you have a center point. Then from the center of the sphere you have both radius as well as diameter of this sphere. That's all you have to study in this sphere. Next we will see the hemisphere. So this is the picture of hemisphere. Here hemisphere means it is half of sphere. Therefore here you have only radius. Let's see the equations related to sphere. We have two equations. Surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Second one, volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Here r is radius. Hemisphere. First one we have surface area of a hemisphere which is equal to 2 pi r square. Then we have total surface area of a hemisphere which is equal to surface area of hemisphere plus area of circle. In order to get the total surface area, we have to plus these two. Surface area of hemisphere is this one. So 2 pi r square plus area of circle is pi r square. We already know this. 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Therefore, total surface area of a hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. This is the final equation. So this one you have to use in the upcoming problems. Third equation we have volume of hemisphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Here also r is radius of that particular hemisphere. Let's go to 9.3 question number 1. In the question number 1 we have 4 or 5 sub questions. Let's solve first sub question. So according to the question they have given the radius of the sphere. From that we have to find the surface area of the sphere and volume of the sphere. We will directly write radius of sphere r is equal to 4 cm. So this is first sub question. Therefore surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, the equation. Then we will substitute the value. 4 into value of pi is 3.14 into r square is 4 square. 4 into 3.14 into 4 square is 16. 4 into 3.14 into 16 is equal to 200.96 centimeter square. Next we have volume of sphere which is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the equation. Let's substitute the values again. 4 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r cube is 4 cube. 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 cube is 64. By solving all these we will get 267.94 centimeter cube. Now why it is cube here? Because it is volume. So the answer is 267.94 centimeter cube. Next question, practice at 9.3, question number 2. According to the question, if the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. Pi is given as 3.14. First, let's write the given things. Radius of hemisphere r is equal to 5 cm, pi is equal to 3.14. First, let's find curved surface area which is equal to 2 pi r square. Let's substitute the values. 2 multiplied by pi is 3.14 into r is 5. Therefore, r square is 5 square. 2 into 3.14 into 5 square is 25. Multiplying all the three we will get 157 centimeter square. Let's find total surface area which is equal to 3 pi r square, which is equal to 3 into 3.14 into r square is 5 square. 3 into 3.14 into 25 which is equal to 235.5 centimeter square. Come to question number 3 of practice at 9.3. The question is, if the surface area of a sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume, and pi is given as 3.14. Here they have only given surface area of a sphere which is equal to 2826 centimeter square and pi as 3.14. By using this information we have to find the volume of this sphere. First, let's write the given thing, that is surface area of sphere equal to 2826. Let's write the equation of surface area of sphere, which is equal to 4 pi r square, which is equal to 2826. Now let's keep the r square here because we don't know what is r. Let's take 4 pi to that side. Here it is multiplied. When it goes this side becomes divided. Therefore 2826 divided by 4 pi. Next, r square is equal to 2826 divided by 4 into pi value is 3.14. By solving this we will get 225. R square is equal to 225. Therefore r is equal to, by taking square root of 225, we will get 15 centimeter. Now we got radius as 15 centimeter. Now let's find the volume of sphere. Therefore the equation to find the volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 upon 3 into pi is again 3.14 into r cube is 15 cube. Can be written as 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into, now 15 cube can be written as 15 into 15 into 15. That is 3 times we have to multiply 15. Now I will simplify here. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore remaining things 4 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by this 5 multiplied by this 15 multiplied by this 15. All the things if we multiply, we will get the answer, that is 14,130 centimeter cube. Again this is volume, therefore the unit should be centimeter cube.